Looks like they were Schindler originally. Oh, great!
Oh, that's new.
Yeah, great. Great. They're playing the friggin' telly in here, so I'm gonna have to talk over that to avoid any issues with copyright. So these lifts, I think, were originally Schindler, but they've been modernised by KONE. A bit of a half-assed Polaris design, as Alex would call it. 1,360 kgs or 20 persons.
Yeah, officially, it's known as a hybrid configuration.
Yes,
and
they just have the normal call buttons out here, as you can see.
So you've got the panel with the new indicator. This one is a...
That's the older one. Oh yeah.
It's a horrible frame rate, it has to be said.
Look at the cab.
It's got a voice.
Yep.
Okay, at least this is not music.
Yeah, it'd be worse if it was music.
Give